And the visuals that are coming in from these hill stations, remember, while there are consequences and repercussions of the second wave that are still lingering large, what has happened is this mad rush on the hill stations that you can take a look with no social distancing norms being followed, especially in the northern states of India, is raising an alarm bell. 6 lakh tourists in Himachal Pradesh alone since the state decided to ease curbs. Good for tourism. Good for the business owners there, that is reviving. But with these numbers, no COVID protocol being followed, one can only imagine what we are looking at in the next few months.
It is an invitation to the third wave. Tourists are thronging the hill stations in the north. They have said no to distancing and no to masks. All they seem to want is some reprieve from the heat and the pandemic blues.
भीड़ से दूर रहने का समय निकल गया, अब आप घूमने फिरने आओ, नज़ारे लो जिंदगी के।
कोरोना का डर तो है, लेकिन घर में हम बहुत बोर हो चुके हैं बैठ के, इसलिए तो थोड़ी आउटिंग करने का मन हुआ, इसलिए निकले हैं।
दिल्ली हुई या आसपास कहीं पे भी लोग ना फ्रस्ट्रेट हो चुके हैं, उनको निकलना है बाहर। और हम खुद इतने फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए थे दिल्ली में रह के कोरोना की वजह से, लॉकडाउन की वजह से, तो एक ब्रेक चाहिए था।
Hotels are fully booked. Tourists are forced to sleep in their cars at parking lots. The mad rush to the hills has caught the government's attention.
क्लियरली दिख रहा है कि एक स्थाई पर, जिसे एक टर्म भी बोली गई है, रिवेंज ट्रैवल, कि लोग जो घर में बैठे थे, जो रेस्ट्रिक्शन का समय था, अगर रेस्ट्रिक्शंस खोल दी गई तो वायरस खत्म हो गया है। यह ऐसा एक माहौल क्रिएट करेगा जिसमें अब तक जो गेन इन टर्म्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट ऑफ कोविड जो हमने लिए हैं, वह फिर से नलीफाई हो सकते हैं, वह फिर से हम उसको भूल के फिर हमें एक और चैलेंज का सामना करना पड़ सकता है।
Raising alarm bells over the frightening situation in the hills, the Union Health Ministry has taken up the matter with Himachal Pradesh government. Sources tells India Today.
Thousands of tourists are staying in Manali, and on weekends the tourists from the neighboring Punjab, Haryana and other states join, and they struggle to find out accommodation in the hotels. Parkings are full and hour-long traffic jams are being witnessed. So this is the situation here at Manali.
The rush, however, has brought some cheer to the tourism industry. But even hotel owners acknowledge the risk of flouting norms.
See, we as hoteliers, we are always requesting people to wear masks. In fact, we don't allow anyone without mask to enter hotels. And tourists who are not carrying masks, we give them masks when they go to the hotel. And we always request them whenever they go out, when they are on the mall or anywhere else, to wear the mask at all times. Despite that, we see, yes, some tourists we see, they are not wearing masks. And I think they should be dealt with strictly.
As daily cases dip, the urge to beat the pandemic fatigue is real. But with a bulk of India's population largely unvaccinated, the risk runs high. And to all the COVIDiots, the pandemic is far from over.
Now administration is in a fix. They don't want to curtail the economic benefit which tourists are bringing to the states like of Uttarakhand and Himachal, but they also fear if people continue to flout all the COVID norms, is this an invitation to the third wave? This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today from Nainital with camera person Parminder Sharma.